Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to clean the printhead on Epson L3151 model. So first I will show you how to print a nozzle check. We need it to see if there is a problem with our printhead. How to print it? The device must be off, then press and hold this button, and while holding it press for about 4-5 seconds the power on button, and when you see these lights blinking, release the buttons. Now we will wait about 10-15 seconds and the printer will print out the nozzle check pattern. And here we see on the printout that there are no yellow and cyan, and the magenta has slightly problems. So we have to perform a printhead cleaning. How to clean it? When the device is on, press and hold this button for about 5 seconds maybe. When we see the power button blinking, release this button, and now we will wait about 5-6 minutes. It takes 5-6 minutes to perform the printhead cleaning, and after that we will see what is the situation. So it took about 5 minutes. Now we have to print again a nozzle check to see if there is a problem with our printhead. Switch off the printer. Again, press and hold this button. Then press and hold the power button. And when these LEDs start blinking, release the buttons. And we are waiting for the printout of the nozzle check. It is a little bit better. The red is magenta is okay. The cyan starts to appear and the yellow also. So I will continue with printhead cleaning until I get a perfect result. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.